Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to play music in Discord. If you find this video helpful today, please drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe for more how-tos, step-by-step tutorials and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So Discord is a great platform for chatting, whether you're using it for gaming, just for hanging out with friends, or anything else along that nature. But you can also play music within the application. To do this, what you need to do is open up your internet browser. And basically what you need to do with Discord is add a bot to the server. So the bot is like a kind of piece of software that will do certain things. There's different bots that do different things. But the one we're going to be looking at today is the Groovy bot. So to get that, you need to go to groovy.bot. And the reason, there's quite a few ones. You've got like Rhythm, for example, but the reason I prefer this one is because it actually interlinks with your Spotify as well. So you can actually upload like Spotify music and you can have that playing in your Discord. So to do this, all you need to do is from this page, click the purple Add to Discord button. And it's just going to come up with, obviously make sure you're logged into your Discord account. And it's just going to come up with the quick permissions. So all you need to do is select the server you want to add it to. And then what we're going to do is just scroll down and click continue. And just leave that ticked as administrator and click authorize down here. What you're then going to do is just click the verification. And that should have now been added to the server. So if I go onto my Discord, there we are. So you can see I'm in my Digital Tutor server. And it says everyone welcome Groovy, and my Groovy bot is now there. So to add a Spotify playlist and to get that playing in your server, what you need to do is come across to the Spotify app. And then from here, what you need to do is actually create a playlist of all the songs that you want to add to Spotify. So you would just come here to the menu on the left-hand side and click onto Create Playlist. I'm just going to rename this. So I'm going to call this my Discord playlist. You can pop a description and choose a photo if you want to. And we're going to hit the save button. And then what we're going to do is just go down and pick a couple of tunes to go into that playlist. Okay, I'm just going to add any of these. Okay, in fact, no, what I'm going to do, so I'm just going to discard that. I'm going to use one of these playlists that I've already got here. So I'm going to go for this one here. And what I'm going to do, first of all, is click the three dots here when I've clicked onto the playlist. And what I want to do is basically come down to share. Then I want to click copy link to playlist. So once that's come up saying link copied, I then need to go back to my Discord, the one that you've got the bot added to, that you want to add to playlist to. And the first thing you need to do is just jump into the voice channel. And then what we're going to do in here is type the command -play, then a space, and then we want to paste that link and hit enter. And once you've hit enter, what's going to happen, that's going to paste the playlist. You'll see it's got 25 tracks queued. And that's going to go through and play the playlist for anyone that joins the voice channel on the server. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please drop a like and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there's a link in the video description down below, where if you give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.